Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set your post views, or in translation, how to enable your post views so you can see who viewed your post in the first 7 days after posting it. So let's get started. First, we're going to start off by going to our profile. We're going to do that by clicking the icon in our bottom right corner that says profile. Next, we're going to click on the 3 stripes in our top right corner. Here we're going to select the third option that says settings and privacy. Now we're going to select privacy. We're going to scroll down. As you can see, you have the option post views right below liked videos. So we're going to go ahead and click on it. As you can see, now it's currently off, or its default settings it's to off. So we want to turn it on. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And now it's on. As you can see, now it's no longer off, it says on. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!